Welcome to another episode in our affiliate marketing tutorial series. Ever feel stuck when trying to come up with content ideas or unsure what topics will perform well? Let's fix that by showing you how to use ChatGPT to supercharge your content planning and research. How to use ChatGPT for content planning and research. Using ChatGPT isn't just about writing, it's a powerful tool to help you plan, research, and optimize your content strategy. Here's how it helps. Topic brainstorming. Just give it a niche, and ChatGPT can generate dozens of article ideas tailored to your audience. Keyword ideas. Ask ChatGPT for long-tail keywords or questions people ask around your topic. Combine that with tools like Answer the Public or Ubersuggest. Outline creation. It can build full article outlines in seconds, saving you hours of planning. Competitor analysis. Give it a few links, and it can break down what your competitors are doing and how to do it better. Why this works? It's like having a content strategist in your pocket. ChatGPT helps you cut through research overwhelm and get straight to actionable, SEO-focused, and audience-relevant ideas. Want a step-by-step system? Head over to website.fm. It walks you through choosing topics, creating content, and building a profitable affiliate site from scratch. Link in description box below. If you found this helpful, hit like, follow for more affiliate marketing tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.